Hey everyone, DIY Junkie here. Today we're tackling a small job that makes a huge difference in your bathroom. If you look at your AC vents or registers and see rust, you aren't alone. In the wet, humid environment of a bathroom, these things rust out over time and look terrible. Now, you could call an HVAC guy and pay a $100 service fee, or you can spend 10 minutes and do it yourself. Let's get to it. First, I've got this vent right above the shower, so step one is getting a ladder set up safely so I can actually reach the thing. Removing the old one is simple, just 2 screws. Once those are out, the old register pops right off. Now, let's look at the replacement. I'm using an Everbilt 12 by 4 inch ceiling and wall register. This one is a 3-way airflow model. It has 3 sections, 2 vertical slots on the sides, and a horizontal section in the middle. On the right side, there's a lever that controls the steel damper. You can slide it up or down to adjust the flow for the side slots, though that middle section stays open for constant airflow. Installation is the reverse of removal. I'm just lining up the new register with the duct hole in the wall. I'll take my Phillips head screwdriver and the 2 long screws that came in the pack. Pro tip: don't over-tighten them right away. Get both screws started first so you can make sure the register is level, then snug them down. Look at that, so much cleaner than the rusty one. Now I've got a second one to do. This one is also high up on the wall, but further away from the shower. Even though it's not right above the water, the steam in the bathroom still got to it. This replacement is the same 12 by 4 size, but it's a 2-way version. It only has 2 sections of slots, and the adjustment lever is on the left side this time. Because this vent is so high up, I'm going to adjust the damper so the air blows downward. That's going to help circulate the air better throughout the whole room. The install process here is exactly the same. 2 screws, a few turns of the screwdriver, and we are done. It's a simple mechanical fix that almost any adult can do at home. For the price of a couple of registers and 10 minutes of your time, you've just saved yourself $100 in labor costs. If this helped you freshen up your bathroom, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more home maintenance hacks. DIY Junkie here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.